Hola, bienvenidos, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on quite a trek, a 10-mile trek that is, through the streets of Puerto Vallarta. Come with me. Puerto Vallarta has several different neighborhoods, and in this video we are going to start in the Zona Romantica neighborhood. Then we're going north through Cinco de Diciembre. Then we're going to end up in the Marina district of Puerto Vallarta. Here's a snapshot of my pedometer, 9.8 miles, which is about 15.77 kilometers. Now, I am visiting Puerto Vallarta during the peak tourist season. I'm visiting toward the end of January. Peak tourist season, which mostly consists of the snowbirds, which are people from Canada and parts of the United States, venture down south, and they spend 6 months-ish in Mexico. The snowbird season typically starts around October and carries through onto March or April of the next year. It's a very busy time of the year. Prices tend to go up, so keep that in mind if you're choosing to visit Puerto Vallarta during that time. But it's also the best climate in Puerto Vallarta. The weather is just amazing. It's between 70 to 80, sometimes up to 90 degrees during the day. Yes, it's hot. Yes, it's humid, but it's refreshing if you're coming from a cold weather climate. In addition, Puerto Vallarta is growing. A lot of people from the U.S. are moving to Puerto Vallarta permanently. So the city is seeing a large influx of expats remaining in the country as full-time residents, such as myself. And this does bring up a very important topic of gentrification, which is happening in Mexico. I will go into this in a little further detail in another episode. But sit back, listen to the beach, hear the ocean waves, and relax just a little bit. There are many ways to get around town in Puerto Vallarta. You could take a local bus, you could take a taxi, you could take an Uber, you could walk. It's not just Canadians or those from the U.S. that are in Mexico. I meet people from all over the world. I meet people from Holland, I meet people from Latvia, France, UK, Germany. It's like a melting pot right here in Mexico. So I have a casita in Ajijic, Mexico. A casita is like a mother-in-law suite. And one thing I really like to do is to travel throughout Mexico. And I do that by house and pet sitting. So if you're looking for a house sitter or a pet sitter in Mexico or sometimes the United States, I have a website that I want you to contact me on. It's Travel.Documented.com. The link is below. I also have profiles on Trusted House Sitters and HouseSitMexico. I am booking now through 2023. Contact me today. There is a lot of construction going on in Puerto Vallarta right now. There are a lot of new condos being built because a lot of people are moving here. The sidewalks were very easy to walk on during this trek. There are a ton of restaurants on this route, so if you want to stop and grab lunch on the way, totally possible. There are so many great restaurants to choose from. This is also the dry season in Mexico right now. The rainy season typically starts around end of May, June-ish. Have you been to Puerto Vallarta? Are you snowbirding currently? If so, drop a comment and say hello. Would you like to move to Vallarta permanently? Or are you making plans to do so now? If you like this video, subscribe for more, drop a comment, and of course, hit the bell so you can be notified as soon as we release a new video. And of course, if you like this one here, you're going to like this video here next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.